Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to measure a countertop. Basically, the only thing that you're going to need for this is a tape measure. If you're planning on redoing your countertops and you're going to go back in, you're keeping your cabinets, so you want to make sure that you get something that's exactly the same size as what you got. So you've got the same overhang on the edges and something that's going to fit in there basically the same way your old one was. Okay, if you're going with some new cabinets, then you may want to consider, you want to know the actual dimensions of the new cabinets before you order your new countertops. You might get something that doesn't fit right. The sinkhole may not be in the right spot. There's a couple things to consider before you go about replacing your countertops. But basically what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to measure them. Basically what you want to do is you want to just look at it and see if basically it's one solid piece, or if it's two individual pieces. What we've got here is one long solid piece. It's going to cover up 3 different cabinets. Okay, all you do is you're going to measure the width of it, and then you're going to measure the length of it. And most of them won't come the exact size. Most of them will have to be trimmed or cut to the exact size, but at least you can get a general idea of how to measure them and at least how much materials you're going to need to actually replace it.